The Schluter Curdy Shower prefabricated trays have integrated waterproofing and are available in a variety of sizes and configurations. The Curdy shower trays can be cut to fit your shower footprint and can also easily be extended with dry pack mortar. Let's take a look at some tips on extending a Curdy shower tray with dry pack mortar. In this example, we have a shower enclosure that measures approximately 4 1/2 feet by 4 1/2 feet, with the waistline in the center of the base. This is slightly larger than the 48-inch by 48-inch shower tray. Dry fit the shower tray so that the drain opening in the tray aligns with the opening on the floor. Mark the floor around the tray to guide the thin-set mortar application. The tray and curb are installed as usual. Now we'll mix a batch of dry pack mortar to fill the remainder of the shower base. Dry pack mortar is mixed at a ratio of 4 parts sand and cement to 1 part water. The consistency should be similar to a sandcastle. Next, place the mortar in the area where the tray requires an extension and tamp it with a wood float so that it is higher than the surface of the shower tray. Then, using the tray as a guide, remove the excess mortar to produce a smooth transition. Make sure to maintain the slope of the tray. Install the Curdy drain and Curdy waterproofing collar as usual. Typically, the mortar is left overnight to set. As soon as the mortar can be walked on, the waterproofing can be installed along the mortar extension. Prior to waterproofing, make sure to clean any loose sand particles or other debris from the surface of the mortar. In this example, we are using Curdy Carrick corners and the 10-inch Curdy band to ensure the proper connection to the shower tray. As always, a 2-inch overlap is required at all junctions to maintain waterproof integrity. These tips should help the next time you're looking to extend a Curdy shower tray. If you still have questions, contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.